Ainsley, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Where's Daddy?
Is it Daddy daycare day? So big. Oh, big burps.
This is tiring, isn't it? This is tiring.
Dad, you shouldn't exercise right after you eat. No, you shouldn't. Is that your daddy? Daddy, put her up against your chest so that I can see the two of you together.
Mini me?
Do you look like your daddy? Huh? Daddy, look at the camera.